Good morning, 4th grade. We are ready for language lesson 148 today. Our test is coming up in a couple days, so we have some review lessons and keep reading your book report book because the book report is you're going to have that read by lesson, let me look here actually, I just wrote it down, lesson 155. So that is in 7 lessons from now. Keep reading your book report book. Test coming up soon. And let's get into some review for today. First of all, we're going to go over prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Now, what are each of them? First of all, what is a preposition? What is it? A preposition is a word that shows relationship between a noun or pronoun after it and some other word in the sentence. A dog is below the table, he is on the table, he is beside the table. Okay, that's gross. But if he's on the table. But it shows the relationship between the dog and the table, or anything else that you're talking about. We have sang our prepositions many times, have sung them many times, and hopefully you have them mostly memorized. But remember also that a preposition has to have an object. A preposition has a best friend, and if it does not, it's not a preposition. It has a noun or pronoun after it. Example, under the table. Okay? The table is the noun or pronoun after it. But if it does not have a noun or pronoun after it, it's probably an adverb saying where or when. So be careful with that. Now, I'm going over these few things right now, and I would like to ask you them when you call in this afternoon, to make sure that you know what a preposition and a conjunction and an interjection is. So listen closely. You can look more in your book and make sure you know what these are, because we want to make sure that we know these for the test. Next, a conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a connecting word. And some very common conjunctions are and, but, or, nor, for, and yet, okay? Conjunctions connect. What about an interjection? What is an interjection? An interjection is a word that shows sudden or strong feeling. Now, sometimes we have mild interjections and sometimes we have strong interjections. Okay? If we have a strong interjection, it has an exclamation mark after it, and the next word in the sentence is capitalized. If we have a mild interjection, then it has a comma after it, and the next word does not have to be capitalized, okay? So we can have interjections like, whew, oh no, yes, yippee. Those are interjections, okay? Remember what those are. Look over them if you're not sure, and we want to review them this afternoon when you call in. Next, we're going to do some diagramming. Get a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper, and a pencil. Okay, so the sleigh bells jingled merrily. I would like you to diagram the sentence, and then I'm going to diagram it in just a minute. Actually, grab your paper and grab your pencil. I'm just going to give you a little bit of time. So, diagram the sleigh bells jingled merrily. First of all, find your verb. What is the action or the state of being? Jingled. Now, what is your subject? Who or what jingled? The bells, okay? Now, remember your describing words, your adverbs and adjectives, go underneath the words that they describe on a slanted line. So think about what the rest of the words in the sentence are. Go ahead and diagram them. Now I'm going to start diagramming them here, and after you're finished, you will check yours with the one on the board. Okay. Jingled is our verb, so it goes to the right of the middle dividing line. Bells is our subject because that is what jingled. That goes to the left of the line. The and slight are describing words, describing bells, which means they are adjectives because they're describing a noun. So they go in slanted lines underneath bells. Merrily is describing what? What was merrily? Jingled. Jingled merrily, okay? Jingled is a verb, so that means that merrily is an adverb describing our verb jingled. So you put merrily on a slanted line underneath jingled. This is how you should have your sentence diagrammed. Let's do one more. The little fawn skipped clumsily. What is your action or state of being? Skipped. Now, who or what skipped?